Hi, my name is Nikita.
My name is Brianna, and our invention is a sustainable water filtration system for low-income communities in India.
163 million people in India lack access to clean water.
71% of these families visit the local hospital more than once a month due to waterborne illnesses such as jaundice.
Our invention incorporates the sari, a traditional Indian garment, and mimics an Indian folding method to bridge the gap between new technology and the cultural behaviors of the user.
Layered between the sari are 3 disinfectants. The water is able to pass through each disinfectant evenly, which effectively filters the household water.
We have also included a sensory mechanism that indicates to the user that the filter is degenerating. When the filter needs to be replaced, the mechanism reveals the universal sign for stop, an X. We have invented a device that provides clean water throughout the slums of India in a way that is culturally familiar for them.
Through Paani, we will see a decrease in the prevalence of waterborne illnesses within these communities.